If you are struggling to clear app cache on Android, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, to clear an app cache, you'll first of all you'll have to head over to the settings of your phone, and then you'll have to tap on apps section. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on see all apps, and you'll have to select any app that you want to clear the cache of. Like I'll select Instagram because I want to clear the Instagram cache. So now I'll have to click on storage and cache, and you'll be able to find the option of clear cache on the right side. You'll have to tap on it, and if I go back and click on it again, you'll be able to see that now the cache is 0 bytes. It means the cache is cleared and you're good to go. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel, and like the video. And if you got stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely help you out.